The Alexa plug blinking red is an alert that indicates an issue requiring attention. Although the specific problem is not specified, this red blink can be caused by common issues such as lost internet connectivity or power fluctuations. To fix the issue, resetting the plug may be a solution, as it can resolve temporary glitches. This can be done by disconnecting the plug from power, waiting a few seconds, and then reconnecting it to see if the issue is resolved. Weak Wi-Fi internet connectivity can also lead to the red blink alert. To address this, checking the internet connectivity is necessary, which involves accessing the Wi-Fi and ensuring the router is within a good range for a strong signal. Any obstacles obstructing the signal should be removed, and the Wi-Fi router networks can be optimized to enhance the signal strength. Additionally, checking the power supply to ensure the plug is receiving a consistent and regulated power supply is crucial, as power fluctuations can cause the red alert. Overloaded sockets and low-voltage extension cords can cause power supply fluctuations, and addressing these issues may resolve the problem.